everyone! Welcome back to my channel, English Waves. I'm Anna. Last week, I had a really hard day. Everything went wrong. My friend asked me, "How are you feeling?" And I said, I'm, not good. Not good? That's all I could say. But I wasn't just not good. I was frustrated, overwhelmed, disappointed, and exhausted. So many feelings, but I only knew basic words. And then last month, something wonderful happened. I got a promotion at work. I was so happy. But was I just happy? No, I was excited, proud, grateful, relieved, and thrilled. The English language has hundreds of words for emotions, but most learners only know happy, sad, and angry. That's like seeing the world in black and white when it's actually full of colors. When we can express our feelings accurately, we connect with people better. We understand ourselves better. We communicate from the heart. Today, we're learning emotions and feelings vocabulary, from happiness to sadness, from anger to fear, from confusion to confidence. And to help me today, my emotionally intelligent co-host Ben is here. Ben, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling fantastic. A little nervous about getting the vocabulary right, but mostly excited.
See everyone? Ben just used 3 feeling words: fantastic, nervous, and excited.
Today, we'll teach you how to express exactly what you feel.
No more just good or bad. Let's get specific.
Let's explore our feelings.
Here we go. Let's start with the 2 most basic emotions, happy and sad.
Everyone knows these words, but there are so many variations.
Different levels of happy.
Content, pleased, happy, cheerful, joyful, delighted, thrilled, ecstatic, overjoyed.
Content is quietly happy, peaceful. Pleased is satisfied.
Happy is general good feeling. Cheerful is happy and friendly.
Joyful is deeply happy. Delighted means very pleased.
Thrilled is extremely excited and happy. Ecstatic is maximum happiness.
I'm content with my life. I'm pleased with the results. I'm thrilled about the news.
Now, different levels of sad.
A bit down, sad, unhappy, upset, disappointed, heartbroken, depressed, devastated.
A bit down or feeling blue means a little sad.
Upset means bothered or disturbed. Disappointed means your expectations weren't met.
Heartbroken is extremely sad, usually about relationships. Devastated is shocked and deeply sad.
Depressed is serious. It's a medical condition. Don't use it casually.
I feel a bit down today. I'm disappointed I didn't get the job. I'm upset about what happened.
Related positive feelings.
Excited, enthusiastic, optimistic, hopeful, grateful, thankful, proud, confident.
Excited means looking forward to something. Enthusiastic means very interested and energetic.
Optimistic means expecting good things. Hopeful means believing something good will happen.
Grateful or thankful means appreciating something. Proud means satisfied with achievement.
I'm excited for the weekend. I'm grateful for your help. I'm proud of myself.
Now, let's talk about anger and related emotions.
These emotions range from mild to intense.
Annoyed, irritated, frustrated, angry, furious, enraged,
Livid.
Annoyed is mildly bothered, like when someone chews loudly.
Irritated is a bit more bothered. Frustrated means blocked from achieving something.
Angry is the general word. Furious is very angry. Enraged means extremely angry.
Livid means so angry you can barely speak.
I'm annoyed by the noise. I'm frustrated with this problem. I'm furious about what he said.
Excited means looking forward to something. Enthusiastic means very interested and energetic.
Optimistic means expecting good things. Hopeful means believing something good will happen.
Grateful or thankful means appreciating something. Proud means satisfied with achievement.
I'm excited for the weekend. I'm grateful for your help. I'm proud of myself.
Now, let's talk about anger and related emotions.
These emotions range from mild to intense.
Similar negative feelings.
Mad, upset, offended, insulted, hurt, bitter, resentful.
Mad is informal for angry. Offended means someone hurt your feelings.
Insulted means someone said something disrespectful. Hurt means emotionally wounded.
Bitter means holding on to anger about the past. Resentful means feeling unfairly treated.
I feel hurt by your words. I'm offended by that comment. He's still bitter about the divorce.
Important note, phrases with fed up, I'm fed up with this, I've had enough, I can't take it anymore. These mean you've reached your limit of patience.
Very useful when you're extremely frustrated. Now let's discuss fear and worry, emotions everyone experiences.
Different levels of fear.
Nervous, uneasy, worried, anxious, scared, afraid, frightened, terrified, petrified.
Nervous means slightly worried, often about performance. I'm nervous about the test.
Uneasy means uncomfortable or sensing something wrong. Worried means thinking about problems.
Anxious is deeper worry, often ongoing. Scared or afraid mean experiencing fear.
Frightened is very scared. Terrified is extremely scared. Petrified means too scared to move.
I'm nervous about speaking in public. I'm worried about my exam. I'm terrified of spiders.
Related feelings of worry.
Concerned, stressed, overwhelmed, panicked, paranoid, insecure.
Concerned means worried about someone or something. Stressed means under pressure.
Overwhelmed means too much to handle. Panicked means sudden extreme fear.
Paranoid means unreasonably worried. Insecure means lacking confidence, worried about yourself.
I'm concerned about my friend. I feel overwhelmed with work. I'm stressed about money.
These feelings are normal. Everyone has them.
Talking about them helps. Now let's learn words for surprise, confusion, and mixed feelings.
Surprise emotions.
Surprised, amazed, astonished, shocked, stunned, speechless.
Surprised is the general word. Amazed means wonderfully surprised.
Astonished is very surprised. Shocked is unpleasantly surprised.
Stunned means so surprised you can't react. Speechless means too surprised to talk.
I'm surprised you came. I was shocked by the news. I'm amazed at your progress.
Confused and uncertain.
Confused, puzzled, uncertain, unsure, doubtful, conflicted, torn, ambivalent.
Confused means not understanding. Puzzled means confused and thinking hard.
Uncertain or unsure means not knowing what to think or do.
Conflicted or torn means having two opposing feelings. Ambivalent means mixed feelings.
I'm confused about the instructions. I feel torn between two choices. I'm uncertain about my decision.
Complex and nuanced emotions.
Bored, lonely, homesick, nostalgic, guilty, ashamed, embarrassed, jealous, envious.
Bored means lacking interest. Lonely means feeling alone and wanting company.
Homesick means missing home. Nostalgic means fondly remembering the past.
Guilty means feeling bad about something you did. Ashamed is deeper, about who you are.
Embarrassed means uncomfortable about something awkward. Jealous means wanting what someone else has.
Envious is similar to jealous, but usually about things, not relationships.
I feel guilty for lying. I'm embarrassed about my mistake. I'm nostalgic for my childhood.
Now, let's learn how to talk about feelings in conversation.
How to ask about someone's feelings.
How are you feeling? What's wrong? Are you okay? Is everything all right?
You seem upset. Do you want to talk? What's bothering you? How are you doing?
You look sad. Is something wrong? Are you feeling better? What's on your mind?
Important note, be gentle when asking. Show you care.
How to express your feelings.
I feel. I'm feeling. I've been feeling. I felt when.
I feel happy today. I'm feeling a bit down. I've been feeling stressed lately.
I felt hurt when you said that. I feel excited about the trip. I'm feeling overwhelmed.
I feel versus I am.
Both work. I feel sad or I am sad. I feel angry or I am angry.
I feel sounds temporary. I am sounds more permanent, but both are correct.
Phrases for intensity.
A little, somewhat, quite, really, very, extremely, incredibly, absolutely.
I'm a little tired. I'm quite happy. I'm really excited. I'm extremely grateful.
I'm so happy. I'm very disappointed. I'm absolutely thrilled. I'm incredibly nervous.
Validating others' feelings.
I understand how you feel. That makes sense. I can see why you're upset.
That must be difficult. I'm here for you. Your feelings are valid.
It's okay to feel that way. I'd feel the same. Thank you for sharing.
These phrases show empathy and support.
Don't say, "You shouldn't feel that way." That dismisses their feelings.
Instead, acknowledge and validate.
Describing changing emotions.
I went from happy to sad. My mood changed. I suddenly felt. I'm starting to feel.
I was excited, but now I'm nervous. My anxiety is fading. I'm beginning to feel better.
My sadness turned to anger. I'm gradually feeling more confident. I felt a wave of relief.
Idioms about emotions.
On cloud 9 means extremely happy. Feeling blue means sad.
Over the moon means delighted. Down in the dumps means very sad.
Walking on air means joyful. Under the weather means sick or sad.
On edge means nervous. At peace means calm. In a funk means sad mood.
I'm on cloud 9 about my promotion. He's feeling blue today. I'm on edge about the interview.
These make your English sound natural and fluent.
What a deep and meaningful episode today.
We explored the beautiful complexity of human emotions.
Your homework this week? Keep an emotion journal in English.
Every day, write one sentence about how you felt. Use specific emotion words.
Today, I felt frustrated because. This morning, I was thrilled when. I'm feeling anxious about.
Try to use a different emotion word each day. Expand your vocabulary.
Remember, all feelings are valid. There are no bad emotions.
Anger, sadness, fear, they're all normal. They're information about our needs.
And the better you can connect with others.
If you're struggling with difficult emotions, it's okay to ask for help.
Talk to friends, family, or a professional. You don't have to do it alone.
Thank you so much for sharing this emotional journey with us today.
If this episode touched your heart, please share it with others.
And subscribe. Next week, we'll talk about.
Talking about discounts and sales.
We've covered so much together: communication, habits, stress, persistence, fear, goals.
Weekends, cleaning, cooking, shopping, health, travel, technology.
And today, emotions, the language of the heart.
Thank you for being part of this journey.
You're all amazing learners.
Keep practicing, keep growing, keep expressing yourself.
Your voice matters.
Feel deeply. Speak clearly. Live fully.
Until we meet again.
Take care of your hearts. Goodbye.